How to use Uber app on Tesla screen. To be able to use Uber app on your Tesla screen, first thing you need to do is to check your setup. So check if you're using an Android setup or iOS setup. So the setup is the basis for the steps that you need to follow. So if you're using the Android setup, before setting up the Tesla navigation, ensure you have the Tesla app installed on your phone and that you are signed into it using your Tesla credentials. Ensure you're on the latest Uber driver app and you can update the app from the Google Play Store app. Make sure your Tesla is selected as primary vehicle on the Uber driver app. You can do so from menu, account, and vehicles. Then visit menu, press account and press app settings, and then from there go ahead and click on navigation in the Uber driver app. Choose Tesla navigation as your primary navigation and you'll be redirected to your Tesla app to approve third-party access to uber.com. If you have trouble with it, use the app as normal. When you accept your next trip and start navigation, the destination information would be automatically shared to your Tesla display. Now, if you're using an iOS device for the Uber app, ensure you're on the latest Uber driver app on your iOS device. Make sure your Tesla is selected as your primary vehicle on the Uber driver app. And then go to menu, account, and vehicles. Under eligible vehicles, choose connect button next to your Tesla. On the following screen, select continue to Tesla, sign into your Tesla account to grant SmartCar and Uber app access, and then choose next. Check the boxes next to the vehicle information and vehicle commands and select allow. If you have trouble with this step, you can also set up your virtual key. Return to the Uber driver app to use the Tesla car display for navigation. And that is how you can easily use Uber app on Tesla screen.